In this email you can see 4 cylinders and a bottle of Prosecco wine 2011 with 613 NTU before the clarification. The clarification was done with static sedimentation or flotation. The first 2 cylinders is obtained by static sedimentation, the first in the left with bentonite, you see more sediment, the second one with a complex fining agent, you see lower sediment. The sediment is unstable with bentonite, the sediment is more stable with the complex fining agent. The difference of the NTU is 1 with bentonite, 4.6 with the complex fining agent. The second cylinders obtained with the flotation shows a different situation, because in the top of the cylinder treated with bentonite you see a ring, and the turbidity is 11 NTU. The second one with the complex fining agent is 1 MTU of turbidity with very stable compact leaves.